Hey everyone. Just good morning. Glad to see all of you today. Unfortunately, just to start the show off right away, Joe is out sick again. He was trying to soldier through it, but unfortunately he wasn't able to. Instead of just canceling the show outright, figure give you guys just a few updates as well on the channel. So again, no Joe, no Jethro and Flash today. But I do want to start out by thanking everyone because we hit a huge milestone, which was 300,000 subscribers just at the beginning of this month. And I want to thank everyone that helped made that possible. You guys are really making it so that we can keep producing videos nonstop. Honestly, we have a ton of videos that are in production, and I just kind of wanted to go over some of the videos that are in production real quick, just to give you guys a heads up on what you can expect coming up. Currently, this week we're supposed to have an Azure Fundamentals course finished recording. That should be done tomorrow. So we'll get, and that's not going to be tomorrow's video, but we'll have an Azure Fundamentals course coming up. I also know that SQL querying was something that people were asking for. And I know Microsoft's retiring a lot of their SQL official courses and stuff like that. But we do have a full fledged SQL querying class upcoming. So you guys, so that training will still be available for everybody. Really based on SQL Server 2019, if I'm not mistaken. So that is upcoming. And then I also know that SQL Server 2022 is coming soon. So we will have a class for that as well. That's definitely going to be a more Azure-based SQL one, what they call that pre-SQL, if I'm not mistaken. So we'll have a course built around that coming up as well. We have a new technical uh, instructor to record as well. He'll probably be creating some more technical type classes that go a little bit beyond just your software application. So if you guys are looking for any type of, administration or anything like that type training, that'll be upcoming as well. Tomorrow we have Premiere Pro, the last of this three-part video series. It was a video series that was in very high demand, and I just want to thank everyone who's been watching it. David Casuto created that, and that was an incredible series. David is currently wrapping up Adobe Captivate for us right now, and then I'm going to ask if he can do the After Effects class after that. So hopefully we can get that After Effects class that everyone's been asking for in Premiere Pro. I see your guys' comments in there every day. There's a request for After Effects, and we are definitely looking at getting that made. Hopefully, David can make that video for us. Let's see, and then after Premiere Pro, excuse me, just for a second, I'm just going to give you guys a. I know I rarely say that I'll let you know what's coming up next, but there's not too much of a show, so I can definitely some of these I can definitely let you know that are going to be happening no matter what. Um, let's see, Premiere Pro. So we have Premiere Pro. So after that is actually going to be SharePoint. SharePoint will be after Premiere Pro. There'll be a SharePoint beginner and advanced. That was recorded by Trish Connor Cato. She did a fantastic job with that. SharePoint's in one of her main topics that she loves to teach. So she has that coming up. And then we also have, after SharePoint, we'll have um, Excel 2019 Intro to Data. Didn't that one already? Sorry guys. For some reason, my sort here is not working. All right, there we go. So, anyways, yeah. So after Premiere Pro, we have Trish with a SharePoint Power User. So it's going to be a class that's going to get more into the site ownership and much more on the site administration side for you guys that are, running a team or building your own SharePoint sites and stuff like that. It's going to be a much more deeper dive than our SharePoint Basics class was. So that we have that upcoming. Again, that was by Trish. And then we have an updated OneNote video. OneNote is one of our most popular videos that we have on the channel. It's been for quite a while, but it hasn't been updated in a long time. I think that video was honestly recorded in 2016, so that's quite a while. And OneNote's had quite a few updates. This video was recorded by Alyssa Smith, and hopefully I can get these guys on the show for you guys, so you guys can meet them and everything like that, and see the face behind the voice, so to speak. I know I haven't had Trish or Alyssa on, but I know I had David, and I wish I could have gotten Christina on as well. But anyways, we'll have OneNote, and then right after that, we will have Microsoft Publisher. That one might change though. Publisher's all done. That was done by David Casuto. So, but that one might move around. Just FYI, because we have a few other plans with some of the stuff. I do also want to say that we are going to start releasing the Office 2021 videos. I know I said this tons of times, but the Office 2021 videos are coming. It's going to start on June 3rd. That is a date we're sticking to. It's going to start with Windows 11. And then right after that, we're going to just go right through Excel, um, what you call it? Excel, new features, PowerPoint, Word, and then get into the more advanced Excel topics like pivot tables, Power User, XLOOKUP, and like that, all with using Office 2021. So that's what the summer is going to look like, and the summer schedule is pretty set. All this stuff is already done, are recorded, and everything like that. So these videos are all stuff that's definitely coming on Friday for you guys. I just want to say hello to Eben and Cheyenne. Thank you for joining us. I saw your guys' hellos there in the chat. I was just trying to get caught up on everything here, just on the updates and everything like that. But also, another thing is just, please let us know what you guys want to see as far as software recording and stuff like that. Your guys' comments and chat and all that type of stuff, it really does inform what we make next. Like a perfect example is Lightroom. Lightroom was something that wasn't even on our radar whatsoever of for us creating a training video for, but there was a lot of people who asked for it. There was a lot of comments for it. So we created Lightroom. Same thing with After Effects. We didn't know you guys were looking for After Effects training, honestly. Like we know, obviously we knew we knew that Adobe had After Effects, but we didn't know you guys really wanted After Effects. So now that we do know, it's right on our schedule. And as far as getting production, like I talked about earlier, I'm going to see if David can make that video for us as well. I hope you've been enjoying his Premiere Pro videos, but yeah, so you guys, if you let us know, we will make it. I think we've made nearly every single request that well, I shouldn't say every single request. Obviously there's some that are a little bit out there, but we for if we look into it and we see that it's a major program and it's something that a lot of people are using, we will definitely end up making a video for it. We are a Microsoft shop, so to speak. The company Learnit is a Microsoft silver partner, I think, right now, or gold partner. I can't remember off the top of my head exactly, but so our wheelhouse is the Microsoft stuff. We were Adobe certified a while back for in-person training. David Casuto himself, if I'm not mistaken, is an Adobe certified trainer. Don't quote me on that, but if he isn't current, he was before. So that's so yeah. Anyways, we that's what we kind of stick to is those programs, but we definitely can branch out and teach it anything else that you guys want to learn. I find instructors, I get them trained up on how to record, and then we produce those videos for you. So if you guys are looking for anything, just let us know, like I said, in the comments, in the chat, whatever, and we'll get that created. Yeah, that's pretty much I don't have too much more to say. If you guys have any questions or anything like that you want answered about the channel, I can definitely answer them in the chat now. But again, unfortunately, Joe Patty is out sick again today. We were supposed to have two other gentlemen, Jethro and Flash, join us as well, but those were Joe's guests and friends, so kind of fell through there. So unfortunately, no major show today. But we have a bunch of videos coming up for you guys, and just let us again, let me know what you guys want to see. I do, and a couple other things I do want to let you know that we're getting created currently is we're going to finish up the Google Suite. That's another thing that people have been asking for, is like Google Sites, Google Code, G Code, and all that. We do have all those, all the entire Google Works suite. We are working on getting that finished. In fact, I have a gentleman that's getting us a video pretty soon for to start that off, and if that works out well, we'll have him produce the rest of the series for it. So hopefully we can get that to you guys soon. We do have a ton of content already recorded, so I can assure you guys you guys will definitely be seeing videos every Friday as you're used to moving forward. Offsite is now doing 2 events a month. So those Friday free events with Carly, those will be a little bit it's not going to be scheduled like the second Friday of every month or anything like that. It's just going to be 2 events each month. Something on R and Python programming. Sure. We do have a Python programming 2 videos on there. If you want something that's more in depth, or is targeted on something else, because I know a lot of people are using like Python for writing data queries or something like that. Like if you want to get more specific about it, please let me know, because we do have 2 Python videos. We can do something a little bit deeper on that. R is definitely something that we're looking into getting into. I know there was another one that we are looking at is M code. M Code is the Microsoft one that's kind of they're trying to push right now. And again, we're a Microsoft shop, so we'll probably focus on that one first. But I know R's been around for a long time, and well, obviously so is Python. But we definitely will get some fuller videos on that for sure. Coding is a little bit more difficult to get produced, just because there's, like there's the basics, right? And sometimes we can't fulfill, the need that maybe you're looking for, but we will teach you the full basics of all the coding and stuff like that, and try to get a little bit advanced on the builds and stuff like that as far as the code writing and everything like that. So, um, even I will definitely look into that. Definitely look into some more advanced Python stuff that we can do for you. I think, yeah, actually, I think I have somebody in mind that I could do some more Python stuff with. Um, Doug Purcell, who did our videos for us, he's now at, if I'm not mistaken, Palo Alto Networks, and he's doing their Python stuff there. So, we had an incredible instructor who went on to an even bigger company to do bigger things. So, we will definitely have something for Python coming up soon. Not soon, but I'll look into getting Python built out for you guys. Maybe a more advanced one, something that dives into how Python's being used more in the everyday office going forward. Yeah, that's pretty much all this. The other parts. Oh, exams. So if you guys maybe may or may not know, we do have all our videos on Fridays, on YouTube, and all our trainings on YouTube as well. But we know that the number one of the things that people always ask is like, why is there so many ads? Well, the ads help pay for us to put these videos together for you guys and everything like that. But we do have a ad-free version of all our training called Learnit Anytime, and it's in the video description of every single one of our training videos. You can go there, you can subscribe, and you can earn certificates of completion. So like when you finish watching all the videos, you get a certificate of completion that's issued to you. You can print that, save that. It's a PDF. It shows that you watched all the videos, and we can verify that, and those can be used for continuation credits. You just have to apply for it. Use this certificate of completion to apply for it. Um, and certain classes can also be used for what they call professional development. I think that's only the project classes that can be used for that. But we are going to be improving that process. We are having quizzes and exams written for each one of those topics, and we're very close to getting that launched on there as well. So you'll be able to test your knowledge. It'll be total asynchronous learning. You'll be able to watch the videos and immediately apply the training to an exam and stuff like that as well. So that's upcoming very soon, and we're going to tie the certificates to the exam. So you'll have to pass the exam to get the cert. So it just adds another layer of training for you guys, and also shows you that it really works, because you guys will be able to pass these exams for sure. Let's see, which tool do you use for your videos? We record everything in Camtasia. That's what we use for all the screen recordings, even for the in-person recordings. We're currently using Camtasia, so that's what we use. You might be talking about the screen tools where we highlight with the red boxes and the arrows and everything like that. Well, that's actually Zoomit, and we use Zoomit to do that. It's a free tool from Microsoft. You can just Google it, Zoomit, download, and you'll find it right there. It's an incredibly powerful tool, and I think it works a lot better than, I know there's one that's like if you press the control button and click, it does the little circle seeks. You'll see that a lot in Alyssa's videos. I think it works a lot better than that. But yeah, that's what we use is Zoomit. So yeah, that's pretty much everything here as far as what you guys can expect. Anything on Jira? Okay, so Jira is at Atlassian product. I'm sure I'm saying their name wrong. Alana, it's like Atlantis or something like that. Jira, are you looking for, like, when you say Jira, because there's a lot of things that go into using Jira. A lot of people are looking maybe for like Agile and Jira, and running Agile through Jira. So is that something that you're looking for? Camtasia and Zoom. Yeah. Oh, here, yeah. Let me spell it out for you. Camtasia is available from TechSmith. They do have a free trial, but it will have a bunch of watermarks on it. If you don't want to have that, you have to purchase the full license. But if you want to do a free trial, you can just look up Camtasia. It's right there. You get a 14-day free trial from them. And then the other one is Zoomit. And then, yeah, that's the tool right there, Zoomit. So just drop those in chat for you guys, so you can just go ahead and Google those if you want. Camtasia has been around for a long time. It's a really powerful screen recording tool. The Adobe version of that is essentially Captivate. And again, we got video training on that coming up soon. And then Zoomit is, again, that tool. We're not going to have any video on Zoomit. Zoomit has actually had a lot of videos and a lot of manuals already. So if you go and if you want to learn how to use Zoomit, they have a ton of stuff for you guys. on how to do it. But back to the Jira question, Cheryl. I just wanted to maybe know if there was, if you had any, if you know, how are you looking at using Jira going forward? You know, like, because that can help narrow it down, because that's a really wide topic to kind of look at, and then we would like to make it relevant for you. So if you put something, you know, Jira and Agile, or what have you, we can definitely get that built out. In fact, I know a couple people already that could probably help out with that right away. You might have seen them on the show on some past shows, but their bosses and stuff like that. I might work with them on getting that set up. Any training on Power BI? Actually, Garish, we are going to. I know we have our Power BI series currently. There's actually two iterations of it. One is one is based on an older version that Chelsea did. We have an updated one that Trish Connor Cato did that was for the DP 100 exam. That's the our DA 100 exam. That's the current Microsoft Power BI certification exam. So that class was built around helping you guys pass that exam so you could get certified through Microsoft for that. So we do have that up. That being said, I know that Microsoft just recently revamped their exam and they're retiring that exam pretty soon. But we are going to get another Power BI video series. I know we've had a lot, but Microsoft's updated it again. So I'm going to be looking at having somebody create that series next, or not next, but soon. Um, I was thinking of having Trish do this series again. She's currently working on quite a few videos for us right now, so I'll see if she's up for it. But that's probably what it'll be. And again, it will be based on the newest Microsoft certification path, so you guys can get certified. So you can have that cert. I mean, these certs are incredibly powerful for getting your foot in the door. Because it shows that as far as Microsoft's concerned, you're an expert on this topic. So we will definitely look at getting that done. Any interview question and mock interview course for project managers? We don't delve too deeply into the job, uh, the interview parts. I guess we could jump into that. If you guys are looking for that, we can definitely start looking at building those videos out. We do soft skill training, like time management, business writing, and stuff like that. We mainly do that in person, though, or online, I should say, as well. We do that virtually as well. We do both of those as part of our regular public class schedule. As far as mock interviews or stuff like that for project managers, I could definitely look into that, because we definitely have the people and we definitely have the personnel that could definitely answer all those questions. We have Candace Porter. She's an incredible project management instructor. She's PMI certified. She can teach the PMP, the certified PMP class, and everything like that. So you can definitely look into, getting that built. She's also a friend of the channel. So if you guys, want to check her out, she has her own channel as well. Just look up Candace Porter. I'll drop her name in the chat. She has her own channel as well. So if you want to help out Learnit, you can go check out Candace's channel. So yeah, I'll check in and see if we can have maybe a video series like that built. Interview questions for project managers. That's actually a pretty good idea right there, honestly. So we may get that. I'll look into seeing the viability of that. I mean, the other part of it is, guys, I take these topics, I go and I check, I crunch the numbers, I look at the analytics, I go through. I look at how many people are actually searching for this stuff and everything like that, and how it kind of all fits in with what we offer to you guys as well. So we want to make sure that it's on brand and then it's relevant for you as well. So even though I'm saying I'm gonna look into this or possibly get this produced, I got to go behind the scenes and check to make sure that this is something that is viable for the channel and everything like that. So I'll definitely look into that as well. Hello, Lou. Hello, Abdullah. Garish, thank you for joining us today. I know it's not what you guys expected, but yeah, I'm just answering all the questions that you guys may have about the channel, or and also giving you a bunch of updates. There's a lot of just other stuff that's behind the scenes that doesn't really translate to the channel and stuff like that. Just uh, where our stuff is, where our videos are at, and everything like that. But that's pretty much covering everything that I was going to cover today. Unless there's any more questions, I'll probably start wrapping up here. So I want to thank everyone again. We hit 300,000 subscribers. I cannot thank you enough. It's incredible. We hit it way sooner than we thought. And I just want to thank everyone for subscribing, watching any of our videos, liking, or leaving any comments. It's just been beyond my wildest expectations, honestly. So we're, like our next goal is 400,000, so we're hoping to get there soon as well. But I want to thank you guys again. It's just been incredible having you guys learn so much and gain so much knowledge. So I want to thank you again. Thank you for supporting us. It's really means a lot, and it's just been, like I said, it's just been the best past few years running this channel, knowing that you guys are learning so much and everything like that. So yeah, that's all the updates I'm gonna go through. If there's nothing else, oh yeah, I might as well just go through the mug. I was gonna save this for the next time, but um, this is my mug today. It is Bearheart 85 degrees. This is actually a limited edition 85-degree bakery California mug. Recently in my town, there was a 85-degree bakery just opened, and if you showed up on, I can't remember what day, but you got a free mug. Just want to give a shout out to them. I really like that bakery. They make great bread. They're known for their coming out with pastries and saying fresh bread, and it's great. So again, they're not paying for this sponsorship or anything like that. Just a big fan of what they do. And again, just thank you everyone for joining us today. Unfortunately, again, Joe got sick, but I didn't want to cancel the show again, 2 weeks in a row due to sickness. So just wanted to give you guys updates and everything like that. And with that, if there's no other questions or anything like that, I'll just leave it at thank you guys. Have a great weekend, and we have Premiere Pro this Friday, so we will see you then. Have a great day.